Honestly, we are expecting more insight about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not alien or foreign to us because we are part and parcel of it. But the major thing is that there must be self-regulation. We are in the era of citizen journalism. We are in the era of yellow journalism. We are in the era of where people are thinking they too can press in order to send message to the teeming populace. But there must be decorum. We must try in as much as possible to adhere strictly to what it takes to practice journalism. So it is we journalists that we must be informed, because if you want to teach, you must be taught. If you want to inform, you must be informed. One, ethics of journalism is sacrosanct, not negotiable. And apart from that, we must keep afloat of whatever that is going on. Currently, in Nepal, the Gen Z group are protesting because their government has banned the usage of social media platform. Also, in Italy, Taiwan, and some other countries, they don't allow their citizens to use artificial intelligence in deep way. In Nigeria also, we should try in as much as possible to regulate it, but self-regulation is the most essential thing.
Most of the traditional newspapers in Ghana have got the African platform. For Gen Z people new, not for people like this. And I'll tell you the advantage of that, by the way. Who wants to wait till tomorrow before you know what has happened today? In our time, you wait. In fact, we are so powerful in Ghana. Ministers, head of state will be calling on this room. Which story is coming out tomorrow? This story is coming out tomorrow. Nobody's going to do that anymore. Because the breaking is coming out because of the digital platform that are available. If you read Daily Trust, the story you read in other papers for 30 minutes, within 2-3 minutes, Daily Trust has given you. Because it's that the front page, it will give you this is what the government has done in Southwest, this is what has done in Southeast. So all those things that you are giving up, they confront with data. So that is the benefit that you are going to have with digital platform. That what you are going to do must be data driven, so that when you are relating with people on the basis of data you are supplying, they will know, oh yes, this thing is really weak. But when it's just full of grammar, language, you want them to know that you have the good command of English. You are not communicating. Okay, you are not communicating. You can speak good English, and I think I do speak good English. But data is more or less good.
The workshop is to brush up our knowledge of journalism and public relations. So I expect that participants will gain a lot after the 2-day workshop. We have participants from both within and outside Unilorin Chapel of NUJ.
Alhamdulillah, I really thank God for the opening of the program, because we still have another day, which is tomorrow, to complete the session. What I can say is the turn up of the participants. I really thank the Almighty for the turn up, because it's more than what I expected. But in the part of the speakers and the participants, honestly, is very, very impressive. And I can only say I thank God, and most importantly, the Vice Chancellor and and all other principal officers of the university.
Yes, the concept itself came with its own rules and guidelines. So the first thing is for anybody who wants to apply AI must first learn, relearn, and even unlearn. Because if you don't, the AI will learn, will teach you, and will eventually take you away from the reality. So what I will advise those that are coming to, or those that are using it, is to first understand, have the basic knowledge.
Yeah, I've learned a lot for today alone, and I'm still going to come back tomorrow, because I don't have any idea about journalism before, but today I've picked up 1 or 2 lessons, and I'll be here again tomorrow for the continuation.